changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah, you ain't see me yet.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Happy Easter to you all. Happy Easter. Christ is risen. Yeah. See, this Jesus of Nazareth is everything to us. Like, He's the victory we have. He is the joy we have. He's just everything put together. So please celebrate and keep thanking him for the cross. Keep thanking him for the sacrifices. Keep thanking him for going to die for us. And of course, he is risen. Yeah, today I'm sharing this wonderful homemade yogurt recipe with you all, because yogurt of course is one healthy meal your family cannot do without. Not to talk of how expensive things have become this season. For you to be buying yogurt all the time for your kids, it's just wise for you to know how to do it in your house, right? It will save you the cost and everything. So yeah, this is me doing yogurt. I actually learned how to do yogurt, but I did not get it right. I tried. This was the first day I tried, and I woke up the next day, I opened it. It did not form the way I wanted it to. It was not thick at all, and I was so disappointed, but I kept trying. There is something about failure that we all should learn: never to give up in the face of failure. Person will give up, now you fuck up. So I tried, and at one point I had to watch videos upon videos on YouTube just to see what I'm missing out, and finally it still did not work out. This is me steaming my yogurt on fire on a low heat, and at one point it even got burnt. I remember my kids the next morning telling me, "Mommy, did you put mayanga to this yogurt? It's smelling mayanga." And I did not have any perfect, I did not get any explanation to give them. I didn't know what to say, but I kept trying. I kept pushing. And guys, this is me today sharing a wonderful, one of the simplest recipes of yogurt with you all, because I believe that there are so many people out there who really want to do, who love yogurt, who want to do it, but they don't know how to go about it. Yeah, I kept failing and I didn't stop. This is still one of the days I failed again so well, and I still did not stop. So yeah, and I said, okay, let me actually see what is the problem. I spoke to one person, 2 persons, 3 persons, and they gave me their own ideas, quite different from what I learned, because I actually paid about 30,000 francs to learn how to do yogurt. But after paying to learn that yogurt, I did not actually come back to try it. So it stayed for like 3-4 months, and I don't know, maybe I had forgotten how to go about it, and I kept failing. So maybe I was not getting the measurements right and all of that. Not until one fateful Saturday evening, I went to buy my ingredients for the yogurt this time around, and I just mentioned to the guy that I was buying from. I told him I've tried a couple of times and I kept failing. He gave me a measurement. He said I should use 3 liters of water for half a kilogram of milk. And that was the bomb. For me. One, I got now the exact measurement of water and the quantity of milk to use. And then what also had caused my yogurt to be coming out watery and not coming out good was my culture. Now, if you don't know what culture is the fermented milk that we have to add to our yogurt in order to make it the active ingredients, in order to make it thick and just give us that perfect taste of yogurt that we all want. we all get when we eat yogurt, right? Yeah. So that is what I was missing out. The quantity of culture that I was adding to my yogurt was not good. So this is that lucky day, this is that fateful evening, and this is 3 liters of water, and half a kilogram of milk. So I had now to go with this is dole. If you're in Cameroon, this is very popular. I had to go now with these quantities that he told me, and this has been the perfect outcome for me. This was the first day I did it. This is actually 3 liters of water and half kilogram of milk. So what I did is I warmed half 1.5 liter of water, and just normal room temperature. The other remaining 1.5 was normal room temperature water. So I had now to first of all mix my milk in the normal temperature, in the room temperature water, and then later add in the hot, really boiled water. Yes, then I used now this cup of yogurt that I showed you guys earlier, and this Nuris as they call it, and this was the culture that I used for this particular outcome. Yeah, so I did this, I covered it, and it was just good. The outcome was just so good. Like, it is so simple. I do not understand how I could not get it for over 3 times. The thing is, no matter how much you try, if you don't get the right measurement, you keep failing, and you will not understand what exactly is happening. This day was my lucky day. Like, after I had finished everything, I covered the bucket, I covered the yogurt. You have to put it in an airtight container and wrap it up to keep that warm. You understand? Let it be very warm, and you keep it in a warm place. For some people, they keep it in their oven. First of all, Douala is very hot, so I just had to keep it. The next day I was very confident that I had it very right this time around. So when I opened it, I was so optimistic. I knew that I had gotten it. I knew for sure that I had gotten it. And when I opened it, I screamed, I shouted.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.
At this point, you just have to give it a proper mix. Give it a proper mix to make it smooth and a bit lighter. But after mixing it, if you think that it's still really thick and you want it a bit light, you can add a bit of water to it. But I love it this way. So you mix it very well, and you add in your sweeteners, maybe sugar, maybe honey, and your flavors. Yeah, this is my family just enjoying this for breakfast, and we were all like, wow, you can see the kids are enjoying it.
Mav's the new recipe, no. It never fails, it never disappoints, you know. Yogurt turn thick like stone. You see? You see? Are you seeing? Can you see the corners? This is yogurt. Yogurt. So very easy to mix. Very simple. That's yogurt. That is your perfect yogurt. This is your perfect yogurt, guys. Very simple to make, just with 2 ingredients, powder milk and your culture.
I know some people will be like, powder milk and culture, but you talked about water. Yeah, because water is that must have in almost all the ingredients. I really don't count it as one of the ingredients, but don't get it twisted. Water is one of my ingredients. That is water, your powder milk, and of course your culture. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give the video a massive thumbs up. Like this video for me, please, so that YouTube can show it to a bigger audience. Like, it will gain more visibility if more people like it. So please just like it. It means a lot to me. And if you're a new viewer or an old viewer who is still contemplating on subscribing, this is a better time for you to subscribe. Join the family. Bye bye. Enjoy.
Stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving.
Yogurt, your creamy yogurt is here. Your creamy, delicious, sweet, healthy yogurt.